Alright guys, it is Sunday night, time for box number 6, 2013 Momentum Football, single team random spot draw. Just want to let you guys know I got a bunch of breaks on eBay, a bunch of breaks on my website, BillsBoxBreaks.com. I'm trying to fill up this Bowman box if anyone's interested tonight. I got about 17 spots left in that. I'd like to break that. It's $4.50 a spot. And I got a nice mixer up. Blah blah blah, so check it out. Here we go. Let's switch to my screen and let's do the random. Good luck. Alright, so we got the spreadsheet here. We got a rando on top, Justin R on the bottom. So let's go ahead and take that list. And let's take them into the randomizer. We're going to do 3 times. So once we got Elbeck on top, Justin R on the bottom. Twice Eugene on top, Rando on the bottom. 3 times Pangora on top, Justin R on the bottom. And we'll take that into Excel on our second sheet here. Pangora on top. Someone's texting me. We're out of eggs, my wife. Doing a break, you're going to have to hold on. The eggs are very important, so I'm going to put my phone down. Alright, let's do the teams. Making cupcakes for the kids. You got no eggs. Well, I know what we do have. We got a car. You got 2 legs. So why don't you go get some eggs at the store? But I have a feeling I'm going to be going for legs. Once, Chiefs on top, Broncos on the bottom. Twice, Broncos on top, Vikings on the bottom. 2 good teams. Thrice, Raiders on top, Falcons on the bottom. Alright, and let's go ahead and take that into Excel. Sheet 2. Alright, so let's go through the teams here, guys. Let me just save this spreadsheet. We got Pangora with the Raiders, Buttersville with the Texans, Eugene's got the Jags, Rando's got the Chargers. Eugene has the... I don't want to install that. Vicky F has the Ravens, Eugene had the Patriots, Hunter's got the Colts, Sheffrey's got the Bucks, Eugene's got the Niners, Saints, Steelers, Eagles in a row. Wow. And then, where was I? Justin's got the Cardinals, Eugene's got the Broncos, Rando's got the Bills, Eugene's got the Vikings, Bengals, and Panthers. Bushman's got the Giants, Eugene's got the Browns, Justin R's got the Titans and Dolphins, Elbeck's got the Cowboys, Eugene's just tearing it up. Jets, Seahawks, and Rams. Dave Allen's got the Redskins. Eugene, Lions, and Bears. Oh my. Buttersville's got the Chiefs. Rando's got the Packers. Nice pickup there. Justin R's got the Falcons. So I'll scroll through these again. And I'll also put them on the bottom of the video as well. Alright, well, let's go and switch back to the webcam. Boom, boom. There we go. Alright, and let me go back to the chat room in case you guys are talking. There we go. Alright, let's go and break this. Good luck, fellas. Nice packs lately. All right, first pack we got Josh Freeman, Heath Miller, Reggie Wayne, Wes Welker. And then our first hit is going to be for the Bills, quad jersey of Robert Woods. And that is out of $2.99. Bills picking up a hit early. And then we got Jamar Taylor, rookie. Back to Josh Freeman. Jamal Charles, Dustin Keller, Marshawn Lynch, Kaepernick, and then our next hit is going to be, oh wow, Tavon Austin, rookie initiation for the Rams. It's a nice hit, and that is numbered out of 49. Nice. That is 46 out of 49. Nice hit. Nice hit for the Rams. And then finishing off with a Darius Slay, a rookie. Nice low number. Oh, Bears score. Nice. I got the Bears +8. See if they cover. Samuel, Johnson, Brady, Jordy Nelson. Next hit's going to be, ooh, a nice one for the Niners, Vance McDonald. And that is out of, oh wow, that is a low number hit. Out of 15. 8 out of 15. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Marquise Goodwin. Two nice low number autos there. Alright, we got Steve Johnson, Darren McFadden, Cam Newton, Richard Sherman. And the next hit for the Jets, D. Milner. And that one is out of a $1.99. And then Chris Harper, rookie for the Seahawks. All right, we got Tony Romo, Aaron Rodgers, Arian Foster, Justin Blackmon. And then our next one is, we'll keep on hitting nice ones, Rex Burkhead for the Bengals. All the top teams are getting hits tonight, and that is out of $5.99. And then a rookie of Geno Smith. Yeah, Chuck, these are Momentum. It's 10 packs. There's a hit in every pack. Nice cards. We'll have to do a case of these. There's 10 hits per box. That's pretty sweet. Trent Richardson, Torrey Smith, Jay Cutler, and Miles Austin. And our next hit is going to be Justin Hunter, Titans, rookie initiation. And that is out of $3.99. And an Andre Ellington rookie. Yeah, I got a listing for these box number 7 on eBay, $4.49 a spot. Check it out, man. These are fun. These are one of my favorites. Shab, Amendola, Clay Matthews, Andy Dalton. And then our next hit, oh my God, Rams on fire. Tavon Austin, rookie jurors, triple jurors, autographed. Nice, and that is out of $3.99. Rams are making out like bandits. And then a Barner rookie. Lots of autos in this one. Lots of autos. It's a nice box. Very nice box. And then we got Kendall Wright, Matt Flynn, looks like a redemption back there. James Laurinaitis, Pierre Garçon, and then a Monte Ball rookie. And let's take a look at what Mr. Redemption has to say. We have a Momentum rookie Signatures Gold D. Milliner for the Jets. Not sure what gold is numbered out of, but another auto. I think we've only had 2 jerseys. I think we had that quad relic and the Justin Hunter. Some more autos. Oh, Bears just tied it up? No ways. No way. Maybe ahead with this extra point. The Bears are up. You gotta be kidding me. Matt Stafford, DeMarcus Ware, Vincent Jackson, Andrew Luck, and then another low number hit, DeMonte Moore, Giants, out of 49. Beautiful box. Absolutely beautiful box. And then a Tyler Eifert, Eifert rookie. Eifert. Man, that's just a nice box. Nothing massive, but like consistent. Nice hit. Alright, got Randall Cobb, J.J. Watt, Russell Wilson, Eric Reed, and that Eric Reed is going to be a short print out of 49. Focus. Doesn't want to focus right now, but it is out of 49. And then our hit is going to be another auto. Xavier Rhodes for the Vikes. Picking up a hit. And that is out of $5.99. So I think 8 autos and 2 relics is a pretty good box. Jarvis Jones. Alright guys, box number 7's up on eBay, so be sure to check it out. And I'll put one on eBay too. I'll do $4.49 on eBay, and I'll put one on my site, BillsBoxBreaks.com. I will do I got $4 a spot. But thanks for joining, and we'll see you guys later.